Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word innuendos. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She delivered her message with subtle innuendos, leaving her audience to interpret her meaning. Innuendos refers to suggestive remarks or insinuations that imply something without explicitly stating it, often used to convey a hidden or indirect message. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.